Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today in this lab session, I will do the lab exercise number 4, and it is the frame relay point to point implementation. Already in the chapter 3 I have explained that frame relay is the WAN protocol. So this is the WAN protocol. Especially you can apply in the any network to make the connection one network to another network, and it is connection oriented, and it is two types, point to point implementation and point to multi-point implementation. So this is basically the lab based on the point to point implementation. Now come see the diagram. If you see in the diagram, there is a three routers, one 841 model and one cloud and three PC we have to take, and these are the addressing table we have to use to configuration. So now I am coming in the Cisco packet tracer. Okay, in the Cisco packet tracer, first we have to take the routers. Okay, and in this lab manual they have used the router 1841 model. So we have to use the same model. It is good for the lab exercise. Okay, so I'm taking 841, and there is a 1, and this is the 2. Okay, so just and there is a one cloud, so you have to go here cloud and select the cloud. Okay, after this you have to take 3 PC0, PC2 and PC3. Okay, now just rename, put router 1, this put router 2, this router 3. Okay, now we have to make the connection serial, so you have to go cable and use this serial DT. Okay, so you have to remember this thing, use the serial, and before use them you have to add the port in 184. So how to add the port? Go here and select weak 2, weak 2T. Okay, and before adding the port you have to on off the router. Okay, when you off then add, when you add then again make on. Okay, so same way we have to add all the inside the router we have to add the port. So again off, again add this and use the port and add on. Okay, same in the third router, go weak 2T, click, after this off the router, then add the port again on the router. Okay, now you can add the port. Okay, so it is, remember that we have using serial 00. So here add serial 0, and here I take the serial 1, then take same serial 00. Okay, then here again use serial 2, here take again serial 00. Why I am using the same port? Because it is easy to remember to give the IP address. Okay, now PC to router we have to use fast Ethernet. Okay, the fast Ethernet, and here F00. Same is here, PC2 also use fast Ethernet and take fast Ethernet 0. Again here fast Ethernet and fast Ethernet the port. Okay, so now we have added the connection. Now come in the lab manual and see the router 1, and you can give the IP address before going this. There is a 3 PC, so it is better to give them IP address in the beginning. PC1, okay, go desktop and give this IP address. What is the IP address of this? 192.168.1.2, and default gateway 192.168.1.1. This is the IP address of the router F0F interface. Okay, this interface. Okay, now go second PC. Okay, give the IP address 192.168.2.2, and default gateway 192.168.2.1. Okay, This is the IP address second router interface F0. Similarly, go PC3, give the IP address 192.168.3.1 and give the IP address default gateway IP address 192.168.3.1. Okay. Now I have given the all three PCs IP address. Now go the router configuration. Okay, the router 1 is this. Click this router, go, then click CLI. After this, here type N, then write enable, then you have to type configuration terminal. So you have to take C and F0 interface F00. So I am using the same, so it is no worry, you have to write same F00. Now you have to on the port, so no shutdown. Okay, after this use the same, give the IP address, so same you can copy here, copy and paste. Okay, and again take another interface serial 00, so you can copy here, paste. Okay, again write no shutdown, make on. Okay, now give the change the serial. Now put frame relay, encapsulation frame relay, copy and paste here, no problem. Okay, now here write frame relay LMI, paste. Okay, now copy this command and paste here. Okay, now take this IP address, copy paste. After this, copy this command and paste. Okay, now type the frame relay DLSI. DLSI in the chapter 3 data link connection. This is the main part to provide the connection. DLCI data link connection identifier. Okay, then copy this IP address and paste. Okay, then exit. Then use router RIP protocol for the routing and copy the same command. Okay, then you finish, write a command end, write WR write to what you have configured, it is saved in your router. Okay, so this is the router 1 we have configured. Now close this CLI command. Now see the green coming. Similarly go router 2. Okay, so click on this and click on CLI and again put write none, make enable, make write the config terminal, again same the way interface here 0, so you can write int F0. Okay, and then again type no shutdown. Okay, now after this copy this command, give the IP address the interface. Okay, F00, this is the IP address. Okay, now type serial port this. Okay, so you can copy all command here, no problem, no shutdown. Okay, now write copy this encapsulation frame relay ITF. Okay, then frame relay type Cisco. Okay, then copy this command frame relay DLCI to make the connection. Point to point. We finish this. Take this command. After this, you have to exit. Then provide router RIP protocol. Okay. Then copy this command. Again copy this command. Okay. Now int class write WR command. Right. Okay. Now we have finished the configuration of router 2 also. Similarly, we have go inside the close this window, and now see the configuration is coming green signal. Now again go here router 3, click on the CLI, and here write N to come in the router command prompt. Now again write enable config terminal as well. Now give the interface int F00, no shutdown. Okay. Now again copy this command. Okay, take this serial 00 port, no shutdown. Okay, now take this command after this, encapsulation frame relay ITF, then frame relay type LMI, Cisco. After this you have to take copy frame relay DLSI for the connection. Okay, then you have to take IP address of this, then exit, give the router RIP for the connection. Again copy this command, DLSI 3, then IP address of this, exit, router RIP, give the network IP address, then give now we have finished also the configuration of router 3, and put int WR, right, the configuration. Now we have finished configuration of all 3 routers. Okay, now we have to go inside the cloud. So click the cloud, then click configure. Okay, then click serial 0. Okay, then add one by one. So here DLSI Ishara, what is this? 102. Okay, and here R1/R2. After this you have to add. Okay, then again serial 0, there is again DLSI 103, and there is a R1/R3 again add. So in serial 0 there is a 102 R1-R2 and 103 R1/R3 to make them. Now click serial 1. Okay, and in serial 1 we have to add 201, and here R2 dash R1 same, and add again in this 203, okay, and this is a R2 dash R3, so you have to add. So again you can check 201 R2 to R1, 203 R2 R3. Now go same serial 2. Here we have to add 301, okay, R3 dash R1, okay, R3 dash R1. Now again we have to add 302 R3 dash R2, okay. Now add this, okay. The U301 R3 dash, okay. You can again verify 102 R1 R2, 103 R3 R1, and serial 1 already 201 R2 R1, 203 R2 R3, serial 2 2301 R3 R1, 302 R2 R3. So now we have finished the cloud, okay. Now make the frame relay. Now click the frame relay here. This is the serial 0. Here select serial 0. You have to take R1 R2, then serial 1 here, okay. You have to take R2 R1. After this click add. So now this serial 0 is correct. R1 R2 R2 R1 serial 1. Now again serial 0 we have to select R1 R3, okay, R1 R3, and here we have to select R2. So R3 R2 and R3 dash R1, okay. Now again we have to click here, select serial 1, and here we have to select R2 R3, and here we have to serial 2 and R3 R2, and make, okay. So now we have finished the configuration. Now we have to verify it is successfully working or not. Ping from 19 to anyone. So we can check here, go here and delete this, and take the packet from here to here, check this, okay. So it is successful. You can send packet from here to here, it is, see, okay, and you go router to router, successful, from PC to PC is successful, okay. And you can verify then. So now we have finished, it is successfully running, okay, from one PC to another PC. Thanks for watching this live exercise.